Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by building the minimum viable foundation: Python, Pandas, NumPy, and applied stats. Start with one focused project, cleaning a dataset, plotting insights, and saving a reproducible notebook. Once done, commit code to GitHub and write a short README explaining your approach. Make sure to practice math concepts through code, not just theory, so linear algebra and probability become tools you use, not topics you memorize. This immediate action converts abstract prerequisites into tangible skills. Now you construct robust workflows. Choose a problem and iterate models with clear evaluation. Train linear and tree-based models, then add regularization. Always compare using appropriate metrics like RMSE for regression or AUC for classification. Once you have candidates, wrap feature engineering and preprocessing into reproducible pipelines and validate with cross-validation and careful leakage checks. Make sure to track experiments. Containerize a model with Docker, and add basic model versioning so your experiments scale from prototype to You finish by making your work usable. Deploy one model behind a simple API, implement logging, and monitor performance and data drift. Package 3 polished projects with clear case studies that explain business impact and technical choices. Rehearse short explanations for interviews. Once deployed, iterate on model improvements based on real data. If things go wrong, employ a systematic troubleshooting step. Run ablation tests, simplify the feature set, and verify data integrity first. Most failures are rooted in bad inputs rather than model math.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.